Hello everyone, I'm Archie and welcome back to my channel. So this is just a story time video and I'll just love to speak, and this will be my first time where I'll be speaking continuously in front of camera like a story. I'm excited for this. So the story is basically about my selection process with KPMG, and it's like really an inspiring one for me, for myself. So I just wanted to share it with you all. So it all started I gave my exams in September 25, both the groups, and that too has a big story. I'll be ranting it out in my story time part 2. So it all started with giving my exams in September 25. Then my results came on 3rd November 2025, and after that I was in massive search of articleship, which I had already mentioned in my video that I was so much like excited to go in any of the big fours. I was just trying so hard, and I made my LinkedIn account, I made my resume, I had conversation with a lot many people. I just messaged like hundreds, like 200, 300 people. I made like I literally sent my resume to everyone, to every email I got, to everyone I got on LinkedIn. And I was just so badly looking for the articleship in Big Four. One of the person, literally one stranger, referred me for KPMG Bangalore, and as my preferred location was Mumbai, and also like just 1 week after my results, my interview got scheduled with KPMG Bangalore. I literally took it for granted. I was traveling. I took the interview as a joke. I just gave it as a joke. I didn't even open my like book for once. I didn't search anything on Google. I just randomly set for the interview like it was just a conversation with my friend. I was literally like kind of shivering in the interview because he was asking me the basic questions and I couldn't answer that because I had zero idea that it was going. Like, firstly, his first question was introduce yourself, and I introduced myself very nicely because I was kind of prepared with that, because obviously that's an interview and I knew that introduce yourself will be the first question. So I was like almost prepared with my introduction very well. I just gave a 5-6 minute long introduction and I could see that he was impressed. And after that he started with the technical questions, and I was so like confused. I was sitting there with a question mark on my face that I am not prepared, and that was really the worst like day of my life for that moment, because I literally was so bad in that, and all my confidence just shattered. And even when he was asking very silly questions, I couldn't answer that because I had zero confidence left with me. After that, I already knew that I'm gonna be rejected because that was such a bad interview. And after that, like I again tried for like, many times. I got a call from all of the big fours. Like, my CV got shortlisted from many of them, but their answer was they don't have vacancy for now because September attempt में उतनी vacancies नहीं आई थी. तो सबका यही था कि अभी vacancies नहीं है, थोड़ा time wait करना पड़ेगा. But I was not ready to wait क्योंकि already बहुत time हो चुका था, और extra time लगाने से फिर pressure भी आ रहा था कि अब big four छोड़ो, अब दूसरी जगह try करो. Literally like many of the people told me कि बहुत time हो चुका है. प्लस KPMG से एक बार अगर तुमको चांस मिल गया, दे आर नॉट गोना कंसिडर योर CV वंस अगैन. सो जस्ट लीव देम, just go for something else, just go for some small size firm, mid size firm, some of the firm in your locality itself. अपनी जिद छोड़ दो और just go for some other firm. But I was so much into that, and also once I was rejected, so I felt so bad and I really wanted it so badly. उसके बाद फिर 1 महीने बाद again, like I don't know what kind of miracle it was, but I completely had trust in myself. I was confident enough for second time, and after 1 month my interview got scheduled with KPMG Mumbai this time, and I got so much lucky. Like, seriously, it was a miracle because everybody told me that they're not gonna give you a second chance because already your interview was scheduled with one of the branch, so they're not gonna consider you again. But I got lucky. I seriously got lucky. It was by God's grace that I got a chance once again. And at that moment, I was not overconfident. I literally studied for the interview through internet only. I was confident. Confidence really matters a lot. And my interview went very well, just one round, and I was selected. And I'm in KPMG now. सच में भाई, मतलब ये जो इंसिडेंट है ये मैं इसलिए बता रही हूँ बिकॉज यू नीड टू ट्रस्ट योर सेल्फ, यू नीड टू ट्रस्ट योर सिचुएशन, यू नीड टू ट्रस्ट गॉड. भगवान कुछ भी गलत नहीं होने देंगे। अगर तुम सही हो, हर चीज़ सही होगी। तुम्हारे ऊपर तुमको भरोसा है, तुमको भगवान पे भरोसा है, तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस सही है, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड है लाइफ में, तो हर चीज़ सही होगी। जहाँ तुमको जाना लिखा है तुम वहाँ जाके ही रहोगे, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए। कितने ही लोगों ने मुझे बोला कि KPMG का अब तुम छोड़ दो भरोसा, बिल्कुल अब कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, पर एट द एंड मुझे यहाँ आना था, मैं यहाँ आके ही रही। सो moral of the story, I must say, trust yourself, trust God. He will do the best for you. And currently I'm really really grateful. जो भी मेरे साथ हुआ है, हर चीज़ बहुत सही हुई है, बिकॉज एट दी एंड मैं वहीं आके पहुंची जहाँ मुझे आना था. So just grateful and thank you so much for listening me. I hope आप लोग भी अपने ऊपर भरोसा रखो, भगवान पर भरोसा रखो, मेहनत करो, कॉन्फिडेंट रहो, पॉजिटिव रहो लाइफ को लेकर हर चीज़ में, एंड हर चीज़ सही होगी. थैंक यू सो मच. मीट यू अगेन इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.